Hello everyone. In continuation with our verbal reasoning, the next topic is coding and decoding aptitude. First question, in a certain code language, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. How will medicine be written in that code language? First, we need to understand from here how it came here. So we may notice one thing, that the C and R means the first letter has become last letter has become first letter. So same way, medicine and E, let me put 8-letter space. Yeah. So now we should start with the E, means this medicine's last letter comes to the first letter. M will go to the last letter. Then in alphabets, after O, P comes. Similarly, here after E, F will come in the last but one. Second letters, next letter will come here. Then M, next letter is N. Similarly, D, next letter should be E. So from now itself, we can able to say that option should be D, but let us verify that. Let us verify that. Next, for M, we already seen, the next letter is N. For P, it is Q. For U, it is V. For T, S, T, U. And then for E, it is F. Same way, we already wrote it for up to D. I, so it should be J. C, it should be D. Oh, sorry, this is, I didn't write. Let me write. 8, let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. E and M, F, E, J, D. Let me rub the first one, what I wrote wrongly. I only wrote for 7 letters. Yeah. Now coming back to this. For C, the next letter is D. For I, it should be J. For N, next letter should be O. Now we may notice that it is exactly tallying with option D. So we verified it. Let us move on to the next one. In a certain code language, 134 means good and tasty. Good and tasty is 134. Then 478 means see good pictures. Then 729 means pictures are faint. Which of the following stands for C? So let us see some common words and common letters. If I compare this, here the common word is, in the first and second, common word is good, common number is 4. So we can equate good to 4. Then in the second and third, we can notice that pictures is a common word and the common number is 7. So we can equate pictures to 7. So now in the second sentence, whatever is left, that is C, that is number is not assigned for C as 8. So C should be 8. Means good already assigned 4, pictures already assigned 7. So the remaining word C has to be 8. That means option D will be the right option. Let us move on to the next. Here, Z is coded as 52, ACT is coded as 48, then BAT will be equal to what? See, the maximum number of alphabets in English is 26, and the last alphabet is Z, but they gave Z as 52, which means whatever is the code, whatever is the alphabet order, alphabetical number, which is 26, whereas here the code is doubled, so 2 times 26. That is why they got 52. Same logic if we try to apply for A, alphabetical code, alphabetical number should be 1, and the code should be 2 into 1, which will be 2. Let us see. C alphabetical order-wise number is 3. So 2 times 3 should be 6. For T, in the alphabets, the number should be 20. So here 2 times 20, we should get 40. Now for ACT, if I add this, 2 plus 6 plus 40, we get 48. Same logic let us apply for BAT. B alphabetical number should be 2. That means the code should be 2 times 2, which is 4. So let me write 4. Already for A we wrote 2, and for T we wrote 40. If we add this, we get 46. The corresponding option should be D. Right. Let us move on to the next question. Rows is coded as 6821. So that means R is coded as 6, O is coded as 8, S is coded as 2, E is coded as 1. And then they say chair, CHAIR, that is coded as 7, 3, 4, 5, 6. Common alphabet is R, and here also it is coded as 6. Here also it is coded as 6. Next one, preach. Here preach is coded as 9, 6, 1, 4, 7, 3. We may notice common alphabet in the second and third word is C. Both are coded as 7, and also A. Both are coded as 4. And then from 1 and 3, if I compare, E is coded as 1. Here also, here also. R is coded as 6. Right. H is coded as 3. Yes. So based on this, we can code our search. For S, the number is 2. Here it is. So we can put 2 for S. For E, here it is. It is available 1. Then for A, it is available here 4. And for R, it is available here 6. And for C, it is available here 7. For H, it is available here 3, which means our option should be 214673, which means our option is B, right option. Let us move on to the next question. In a certain code language, pit na som means bring me water. Na jo Todd means water is life. So here the common words here, it is water. Water is common in these two sentences, and the common word here in the first sentence is na. So we can equate water to na. Then tub odd pit means give me toy. So here we may notice the common word is me in A and B. So we can write me, and what is the common word here? If I compare this and this, pit na som tub odd pit, which means common word here it is pit. So we can equate me to pit. Then B and C, if we compare na jo Todd, water is life, Jo Lin caught life and death, which means we can identify the common word here as life, and in this case the common word is na Jo Todd, Jo Lin, so means Jo is the common word, so life will be Jo. Okay, so now water we already equated it to what? Now, Joe we already equated it to life, which means Todd should be is. So which of the following represents is in that language? It should be option C. Let us move on to the next question. In a certain code, monkey is written as XDJMNL. How is tiger written in that code? We may notice previous alphabet to M is L. Means the previous alphabet is coming in the end. So let me write first this tiger should be coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The previous alphabet to T, OPQR, S. So S should come, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H is the previous alphabet, E, G, H, I. So this should be H, A, B, C, D, E, F. F should be the previous alphabet to G, A, B, C, D. D should be the previous alphabet to E, O, P, Q. Q should be the previous alphabet to R. So Q, D, F, H, S will be the code for tiger in the same style, which means our right option is option D. Let us move on to the next one. Friend is coded as HUMJTK. How is candle written in that code? Let me write first candle. 6-letter word, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let us understand the relation between these two. FGH means one letter is skipped to reach H. OPQRST, two letters are skipped for U. Same way, one letter if we skip after C, it is D has to be skipped, then E will come. Then two letters means A, B, C, B, C, and then D should come. From now only we can identify the code should be option A, but let us check. So A, B, C, D. Let me write alphabets, it will be easier then. Only this much is enough. So for C, you skip one letter and wrote this D, E. And for A, you skipped two letters and you wrote this D. For N, You have to skip 3 letters. M, N, O, P, Q. R I should write. For D, I should skip 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I should write I. For L, I should skip 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I should write R. For E, I should skip 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I should write L. So for candle, it is matching. Whatever we ticked earlier, it is matching. That is how we do coding and decoding type of aptitude questions.